Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2016 Nissan Altima SL with right at 100,000 miles. A really beautiful premium sedan, lots of features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out something. So this is a one-owner Altima with a clean CARFAX report, no accident history. Really nice exterior white finish. There's some minor touch up in a couple of spots that needs to be done, but no major dents, dings, or scratches. No rust or corrosion. Lots of chrome details. Backup camera. Little minor scratch there on the bumper in the corner, but we're gonna touch that up. Overall, definitely above average condition. So a quick shot of the interior on the driver's side. You can see the leather is in excellent condition. Lots of options: sunroof, navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's also got some technology features like blind spot monitoring and the adaptive cruise control. Original mats. Really a very clean interior. Exceptionally clean in the back as well. No pet hair, no smoky smell, rear AC. Carpets and mats are very clean here in the back as well. Just really well taken care of interior. Here's a view of the trunk space as well. You can see it's got the cargo mat. Very, very clean. Lots of space here in the back. It's a shot of the passenger side. You can see again equally as clean. The leather's in excellent condition. Power seats. Lots of extra features. Quick shot into the hood as well. Super clean, no rust or corrosion. Runs nice and smooth. Another nice feature on this Altima are the wheels and tires. It's got a full set of Goodyear Assurance tires, almost brand new, lots of tread, very smooth on the road. And then of course it has these standard 17-inch alloy wheels, which are in excellent condition, no rust or corrosion. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2016 Nissan Altima SL, one owner vehicle with a clean CARFAX report. Please check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures as well as a link to this video on our YouTube channel. And then of course you can check out our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.